Here at Acting with Parker Anderson, we encourage our students to let their creativity flow, cut loose and be their silly selves, and even learn some fun warm-up games. We help students learn the importance of memorizing lines, dressing up to get into those silly, fun characters, and writing their very own scripts to bring their ideas and their stories to life.
I feel so left behind. Maybe I should be the queen of Color City. I should think it over. There's no way you'll be coming queen. I'm in a tiny life. I can't be that one to lose. I need to turn everyone evil so I can win. Oh, hi. What are you doing up here? Perfect. My first big coach. Oh no, I'm evil now. This could be fun.
Whether on a stage, in front of a camera, or even behind the scenes, we always strive to bring out the best in our students and prepare them for the big time. Ready, set, action.